Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to send email notifications using Spring Boot and HTML templates. So let's get started. So in this video, I will build two APIs /generate /send. So first for this API, see this API is nothing but I am building the one theme lift template. This is a one card, right? One small template, one theme lift template. I am building one theme lift template and I am checking so it is working or not as expected. For this I am passing the one inputs like one name and one message. So two parameters I am passing, two query parameters I am passing like name and message from controller. Name and message I am passing. So in theme lift, so it will be appended like name. This is a message. Two will be appended. Post this API, I will check working or not. If it is working, then I will develop a email service. So email service in email service there is a field like in so main message helper class is there, right? In that one field like set text, I will provide here in set text. This is a I will pass as a input. That means I will pass this as a input. So then I will send mail to I will send a mail. So let's start coding. So file new Spring Starter class. So suppose you can give name like a notification service. Notification, suppose notification app. So notification app. Next, so we need first we need the verb we need verb and theme lift Java mail sender Lombok. So four dependencies we need or four libraries we need. So verb, theme lift, mail sender, Lombok. So Java mail sender and theme lift I will explain important classes and interfaces. So here, so in theme lift we need, so in theme lift important class is, so what was the important class? Template engine. Template engine is a class in theme lift. When you edit, it contains the process method, two parameters. We need to pass template and context. That's it about now Java mail sender. So here one interface is there. Java mail sender. Java mail sender is a interface. So is a interface. In that interface we need two methods like create main message. It will return the main message. This is we need, and send method will be there. This is we need. So it's all about two libraries or two dependencies. This is Themeleaf. We need to use this one for template. After preparation of HTML template, we need to pass here for mail. These two we need to use these two methods. So now what I need to do next create the project. Once project is created, then I will start adding the service logic. So right click, new class, suppose dot service. So this is for the template message service. Suppose some name template message service. Enter. So maximize. So here in, so go to, this is the post API, right? Slash generate. We are decided to pass two parameters like name and message. So name and message we are decided to pass. For that, now we are public. So return type I don't know, as of now return type I don't know, so I am not mentioning. Suppose get HTML context. I need to pass two parameters, one string name, comma, string message. So now I need to prepare context, right? Context equal to new. So context. So org.themeleaf.context. So we are decided to pass two parameter to HTML template, right? These are the name and message. So we are expecting this template, right? Final this one, this card type. We are expecting this card type, right? This card we are preparing. After that preparation done, HTML template we need to send to the mail. So for that, context check here, some set methods will be there. Set variable name and object, right? So here I am sending the name. So name. Next one, context dot set variable. Here message. I am sending message. So it's done now. Context is preparation is done. So I need to call template engine. For that, first I need to inject private final. So template engine. So this is the service class, right? Add service. After that, this I will inject through Lombok based constructor injection. For that required our constructor. Then so take this one dot process method. We need a process. There are multiple. So I need two parameters related. One check So I need template specification context. I need post one. Check, this is the string template I context. This one I need. So this is the template. So template not yet prepared. Suppose assume like a message hyphen template. We will prepare this. So this is the context we need to pass here. So let's check what is returning here. It is returning string. So let's make this method as a string return string. So service logic is done. Now I will develop this template. So under resources there is a templates. Right click new. Suppose right click new. File option will be there. Let's check file on dot html. So spelling wrong. Let's change. So refactor rename html. Right now ThemeLift namespace. First ThemeLift namespace will be there, that we need to import. Otherwise ThemeLift tags will not work, like th colon text, like that. Some tags will be there, right? Those will not work. So now see, it will not giving any suggestions. So I need to type everything manually. Okay, now doc type. Doc type HTML. So here HTML, HTML, XML, NS colon. This is the namespace we need to import, right? So here HTTP colon /www dot themelift.org. So suppose language English. So HTML closing tag XML NS control S HTML, right? So now let's add a header. Suppose header. This is the add closing. So here inside header title will be there. Title will be there. So title like template message. Template. Suppose is some template message. This is a title, right? After that, let's start body. Let's start the body. Body. This is the start tag. Body and tag. So inside body. See inside body. So there are two lines here. This is the one line. This is the one line. So this is look like some, say this is look like a H1 heading kind of, right? So let's take this is a H1 and this is a paragraph, right? So post one, suppose let's take H2, class H2. So hello. After that, so let's take a span tag, span. So span th colon text equal to, so here dollar, so dollar name. See here I am sending name here. Name I am sending from here. Default value. Suppose if name is empty. Suppose if name is empty, it will print like this. So th colon text equal to, this is the dynamic value. So next, suppose paragraph. Let's take th colon text. Suppose dollar symbol is a message, right? So paragraph is closed by default message. Up to, let's check how this is template look like. So message hyphen template. Usually I will get a suggestions, but here we are not getting any suggestions. So open with her browser. See, it is coming like name and message, right? So let's make it like a, yeah, like this, colorful, like cord type, this colorful, like this. For that, so let's add a styles. So inside add, we need to add a styles, right? So inside add, so we need to add a styles. For that, style. So style. Now post body. Body will be there, right? Yeah, this is body. So copy body. So body, open close. Here some font family. So family, font family, colon space, suppose Arial, comma, sans serif. So sans serif, sans serif. So after that, so let's add a background color. See, background color, it is the white color, right? Background is white color. So for that, so let's add background icon colon space as, so F4, F6, F9. It is nothing but white color. So it is nothing but white color. So after that, display type flex, display type flex. Now after that, justify content, justify justify hyphen content. See, justify hyphen content colon center. So after that, ln items colon center. So min hyphen hide colon 100 VH. Next margin, so 0. Up to the body related styles are done. Let's check how it is working. Open with web browser. See now it is look like only. So let's add a one class. So these two lines are there, right? Move these two lines to one div. Let's move these two lines to div. Suppose div class. Suppose card. Some card. Right? Let's close this div. Usually we will get a suggestions. If you are getting suggestions, it is very easy. But today I am not getting any suggestions here. This is the card. So this is the card, right? Dot card. So card, let's add the height width. So 450 pixel. Background also, it is also white. So suppose FF. So there are 6 F's. After that, padding item 30 pixel. So after that, border. So border shadow colon. So 0 4 pixel 15 pixel RGBA. Suppose 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 15. So text align align colon center. Save this. Up to let's check. So open with web browser. So it is look like right now it is look like. Next, so next h2 will be there, right? For that, let's add a class. Some span tag will be there, right? Span tag. So here we are open span tag. We need to close here. Span tag closed. For that span tag class, suppose so it is a name, right? Control S. Let's take name. So for name, go here, dot name. So here colon some like 1976 D2. Suppose some color font height. So colon bold. So control as. Let's check how it will be look like now. Open with web browser. Now look like. Now let's see it is the P will be there, right? So for P, let's add styles. Suppose card P. So here dot will be there. So like colon as 333. So font hyphen size 16 pixel. Next line hyphen height colon 1.6. After that margin colon 0. So there is a H2. Here H2 will be there, right? H2 will be there, right? For that, so for that, let's go here. Dot card H2. So H2. Suppose for H2. So let's copy these. Let's copy these two. Control C. Paste here. So color. Let's change color. So suppose 3 to F to F. And so margin, let's add a margin. Margin hyphen bottom. Margin hyphen bottom. Suppose 20 pixel px. Controller. Let's check now. Right click. Open with web browser. See it is look like. So now so close the styles, save it, open with our browser. So class card. So div class card. This is the H1. So this is the H1, right? So this is the H1 hello span. Class is equal to some name th colon text. Suppose this one name span will be closed. th colon text. It is closed message. This is closed, right? So hat style. Let's check add is closed or not. Add is closed. Style is also closed. So now let's check body font family colon Arial sans serif. So background color this one, display this one, card. So H1 name Save. Now open this. Open with your browser. So something is wrong. It is not. So let's check what is happening here. Suppose let's create another file. Otherwise, so file message hyphen template.html. So this is already there, right? So do one thing. One. Yeah, here see suggestions are coming. Do one thing. Copy this. Control X. Paste here. Control V. So delete this one. So delete this one. Right click delete. So this rename. So refactor rename. So okay. See now. Now suggestions are coming. Now let's try to open in browser. Open with your browser. So still look like so header. So title. So let's check somewhere where did mistake. It is not working. Div. So div class equal to card, right? Body close, div close. Style. So somewhere where did mistake. Let's check. Head, title, body. So body is there. So div will be there, right? We are added card H2. H2 is closed. Some span tag. So th colon text. Control S. So let's try to open in browser. Open with your browser. So let's check center related one. So text hyphen align center. Align items. Let's check one by one. See body. So font family colon Arial sans serif. Background hyphen colon. So some background display flex. Justify content center. Align item center. This one. Card. Coming to card with background padding. So padding After that, let's add a border radius. So this is the, let's add a border. Any suggestions are, let's check, no suggestions. Border hyphen radius, border hyphen radius colon 12 pixel. After that, box shadow control S. Let's check now. Open with web browser. So somewhere we did mistake. It is not working. So font size, box shadow, suppose div class equal to card. So div is closed, right? HTML is closed. Selector control shift F. Some tag were missed, that's why it is giving like this. Suppose doc HTML is right, HTML. Here we are missed this part. Yeah, see, we are missed one. See, now it is, look, color is changed. Check justify content is correct or not. Justify content. Now suggestions also there. See, suggestions also there now. Here some mistake we did. Here missed. That's why it is irritating now. Totally changed. See now, totally changed. Colorful now. Now selector Control Shift F, Control S. Now it is formatted, right? So it is now formatted. Let's check. It is how it is look like now. Open with web browser. See, this is expected card. Now this is expected card. Name and message. So dynamic data I will pass, right? So now as of now, service class is development is done, template is development is done for post API. For post API, this is the post API. So service and template is done. I will add a controller slash generate on controller. I will add. So suppose like add a class package name controller like template message controller finish. So yeah, so let's build a one get API. Let's build a get API like public string generate method. So I said, right, I will pass two query parameters. As I said, I will pass two query parameters at request param. Post parameter will string name. Second is, so at request param string message. These are the two parameters I will pass. So it is a get API, get mapping. So get mapping path. See, value will be there, right? Value. I will pass like a class generate. Class generate. After that, media types. So I will pass a media type. Like this is HTML content, right? So for that, I will pass media type. So produces media type dot check the import. This is the wrong one. Page attribute is the wrong import. Don't use this. We need a the Spring related. After that, score. So HTML value. So now let's it is a REST controller. So now private final we are created service, right? Template message service. Template message service. Suppose template message service. Template message service. So I will return this directly. So return template message service dot get HTML context. It is returning string. So same I added string. This is the name message. So now let's check. So let's use the require constructor for constructor injection. So this class we are injected by using constructor injection. This is annotation available in Lombok, right? This is a get API slash generate is a so path name and message I am passing to get message content. See it here variables preparation is going on. After that, so template engineer process now it is returning to this template. So now so go to application or properties. So I am not added any server dot port, so it is defaultly 8080. Let's check how it will be look like that template. Let's try to hit. So run as Spring Boot app. So run as Spring Boot app. So it is up and running, right? So we have developed one API. As of now, we have developed one API called class generate. For that, so take new. So http colon double slash localhost colon 8080 generate. So slash generate localhost colon 8080 slash generate. Let's check anything. Okay. 8080 slash generate. See here in code what we are added in controller. It is very important. I am maximizing. Observe here. So these two are the request parameters. So how to pass request parameters? Question mark name equal to value and message equal to value. So like this we need to pass request parameters. We need to pass like this, right? Request parameters we need to pass like this. For that, so question mark suppose name equal to suppose Shankar and message equal to suppose message equal to welcome to FSD interview guide. So it's the enter. So it is a request. Let's check any errors are we are getting. See bind missing servlet exception. So type string is not present. String is not present. So let's fix this error. So for that, so let's check request param string name. This is the name. This is the done. Producer. This is the right. Go inside. Go inside. So name where passed here. This is the message where passed. Message template. It is the correct. Go inside the template. So go inside the template. Let's check. So XML ns colon th equal to http colon www.themelif.org long, right? Spelling wrong, long. So control S. So what we need to do here, th colon text. So this is the th colon text equal to name, th colon text is equal to message. It is fine. Stop the server. Let's check. We are getting one error. Let's try to fix it. Run with Spring Boot app. So just refresh it. So we are getting bad request. So any issues here? Missing servlet, request parameter exception, required request parameter is not present. I think template issue. Somewhere something is wrong. Let's check. So let's check HTML here. Remove this part. Let's re-add. So XML ns. So colon th. See now suggestions are coming. http colon www.themelif.org. This is the namespace. This is the namespace need. So th, right? Here, remove this one. So remove this one. Let's re-add th colon. See, suggestions are not coming. Control S. Ch colon text equal to suppose dollar symbol like name, right? Same, remove this one. Th colon text equal to so dollar symbol, it is a message. Control S. Now go to the template service. Let's check is there anything we are missed. So template we are injected through constructor template and context. This is the file. So roller. So selected called where passed the name and message. So name and message. Let's change message. So message. Control S. Now stop the server. Let's run. So right click, run as Spring Boot app. So let's refresh the browser. See, now it is working as expected. See, now it is working as expected. So some errors we are facing, but finally we are achieved. This is the dynamic data. This is the dynamic data, right? Finally we are achieved. So we are prepared the HTML template. What is this? So HTML template. It is a HTML template we are prepared, right? Up to post API it is done. Thus I will show here up to this part was done. So up to this part was done. So it is a template preparation is done. So mail sending. For mail sending, I will explain. So for mail sending, so we need to add some properties, right? For mail sending, we need to add some properties. Up to template is done. So for post API is done. This is we are build like so up to this API we are build. This API we are build. So this is the post API template. Name and this is dynamic data. This template we have prepared. This template we have prepared, right? Second one, we need to send a mail. For that, let's add properties. What properties? Google SMTP provider properties. For that, Google SMTP check the spellings, otherwise it will give some errors. Provider details. So like spring.mail.host. So what is the host name? smtp.gmail.com. This is the post one. Next, spring.mail.port. Spring.mail.port. So check the spelling. Spring.mail.port. So tell me the port number. 587. 587, right? Port. After that, spring dot mail dot username. So let's call it username. New tab. Suppose so. Let's choose one mail. Suppose I am choosing this mail. So let's copy this. So username, password. Let's string dot mail dot. So here we need to understand one thing. Suppose node node point. It is not a mail password. It is not a mail password. It is a app password. It is a app password. It is a app password. I will show how to get a app password. For that, so type here. For that, type app space passport space Google, enter. So click post link. So yeah, choose the mail. So 96. So 96. See if you are getting this. The setting you are looking for is not available for your account. That means two-step verification is not done. This means two-step two-step verification two-step verification is not on. That means two-step verification is not on. How to on? I will show. Go back. So security, scroll down. See two-step verification will be there, right? Click on. These are the possible options right here. So here see, these are the possible options. So two-step verification, right? That means at least two must be green tick like this. Two must be green tick. For me, three will be green tick, right? For me, three will be green tick, right? So now I am eligible for this two-step verification. Like I have a three green ticks. That means I am eligible for the so two-step verification. Let's turn on. So let's turn on the two-step verification. It's done. Back. So for let's scroll down. See two-step verification green tick. That means it is done. So now close the browser. Let's open another browser. So type here app password Google, enter, click on this. So choose our mail 796. So enter the password. We are in the process to create a password. This is not Google Mail password, it is a app password. Suppose my app one create. So if you click done, this password will be disappeared. It will not be visible. If you will click done, this password will be disappeared. So post copy this password. Click on done. Click on done. Once your practicals are done, let's delete this app. So paste here. So these are the spaces are there, right? These spaces must be removed. These spaces must be removed. So remove these spaces. So done, right? Now Spring dot mail dot properties. So properties. After that properties, you will not get any suggestions. Like if you control space, no suggestions will be available. Now you need to enter manually, like dot mail dot smtp dot auth equal to true. Auth equal to true. Check the spelling. Spring dot mail dot properties mail dot smtp dot auth. After that, spring dot mail dot properties dot so mail dot smtp dot mail dot smtp dot start tls dot enable equal to true. So these are the smtp properties. So up to these are the smtp properties. So smtp properties were added, right? It's done. Now go to the service. We need to create a new service like template mail service. Suppose class template mail service. Enter. So we need to prepare a mail object here. We need to prepare, right? So here public. So I don't want to return anything. That means it is a void method. Suppose send mail, and I am not. So send mail, right? So from controller, from postman, I will collect some details. I don't want to hard code anything here. I want to collect like to address, subject, name, message only. This in template, this is like a body. I will get it this string response as a body. Remaining I will collect from the postman. For that I will pass few parameters. Suppose like string to next string subject so next one string name comma string message so maximize this. See, to subject name message, there are four parameters. Now let's inject the Java mail sender. This is a service class, right? Annotate with service. So let's annotate with service. Here private final Java mail sender. Java mail sender. This is we will inject through Rambach required our constructor. So required our constructor. This is the Java mail sender object, right? So let's take the reference dot create main message. So what it will return? Main message. It will return the main message. It will return. So import check. This is the jagatta.mail.internet. This one. After that, so what we need to do? My message helper. My message helper. Suppose helper in this class, certain methods are there like to subject, name, message like that. We need to pass. So new my message helper. See what I will choose. See, so this is the two parameters. This I will choose three parameters. One is the main message multi-part. Multi-part is nothing but like, are you uploading any documents? If yes, we need to make like a to true. If you want to upload documents, this will be true. So encoding is nothing but UTF-8. We need to pass the UTF-8. This is the main message. This is the if you want to upload like files, then we need to make this boolean as a true, as false. This is the encoding UTF-8. So now main message, it is recommended to use like so boolean. So control Z. So maximize. So boolean dot false. I am not using in this video any document. So it is multi-part will be false. After that, this will be encoding. So encoding standard char set dot UTF-8 dot name. So name. So it is throwing exception. So surround with try catch. Let's handle this exception. So default exception handling only I am using. Customized I am not preferred in this video. So now see helper dot set helper dot so set from, see there is a string, set from string, we are added anything. So two we are added, subject we are added, right, name we are added, this we are added. Let's add the so from as well, string from. So this is the from. Next helper dot set 2. So 2 for 2 string 2 will be there, right? Let's take this one. So after that subject helper dot set subject, it is string, right? So subject, after that so subject. Now helper dot set text. So here see second one, set text, string text, boolean HTML. That means text. If you are passing an HTML content, this boolean must be true. If you are passing an HTML content, this boolean must be true. So this must be boolean dot true will be there. This is the, so we will get from the this template message service. For that, inject service private final. So template message service. So template message service. Here take this one, call here. So dot get HTML content, pass this to semicolon. It will return the string HTML body. It will return the string HTML body. Control C, pass here, Control V. Now from we are set to subject body we set, right? After that we need to call, like how to call Java mail sender dot send method will be there, only my this one. So main message, this we need to, so main message, right? This we need to set, this we need to set. Then for our confirmation, I will use sysout here. I will use sysout. So email send successfully. Email send successfully. Control S. Now stop the server. Still controller development is pending, right? So still controller development is pending. Go to controller. So go to controller. Here controller is development is pending. So like private final. So template mail service, right? Template mail service. So template mail service where injected through Lombok based constructor injection. After that, so let's add a post endpoint. Let's build a post endpoint. Suppose public response entity. So just I am returning the some string. It is a send method. So it is a send method. So we need to send, right? These what we need to send. Go to the template mail service. These fields like from to subject. These we need to send, right? Name and message. So for that, let's create a one DTO. So we don't have any DTO at. Let's create. Right click new. Suppose class. So suppose send template mail request. Suppose like this, send template mail request, some DTO. So for that, so here at data, if you want to, you can use at data or you can use separately. At setter, at getter, at toasting, like that. After that, at So no are constructor and all are constructor needed. So no are constructor and at all are constructor. So now private string from field, private string to field. So semicolon, private string name, private string message. These four fields I need. So D2 done. Go to controller. So maximize at, so at request body, right? So at request body. So suppose request, right? Import. So control space. So now, so import. Now what needs to do? Remove this. We are injected, right? This one. So control C. Dot send method will be there, right? Send method. So post one request dot from get from. This will be post one. So second one will be request dot get to. Third one, let's check third one. Go to the template mail service. So template mail service post one to. So post one to second one from, right? So change accordingly like this. Post one is the post one. It is a true. Post one is it is the two. Post one it is a two. Second one it is a from. Third one. What is the third one? So to from subject name message, right? To from is done subject name. So third one subject. Third one request dot get subject. So from message name to. So go to our DTO from to name message subject where message private string subject control as. Go to the controller get subject. So after that request dot get. So name final one message. So final one message request dot get message. So it is done, right? So it is done. So return response entity dot okay. What we need to return? Suppose let's return some message like email send successfully. Email send. So successfully semicolon. So post mapping now slash send right. So slash send. So this is a send method. Let's open the postman. Let's open the postman. See, currently we are building the second API. This development was done. I need to prepare the JSON structure. After that, like body. After that, I need to hit read. Now localhost 8080 slash send 8080 slash send. It is a body. So remove these fields. Now first one. What is this? So from let's open the so from so from address and to address are both are same. Let's copy from the application dot properties. So application dot properties. This is the from address. This is the from address. Whom you are sending. That is the true address. Whom I am sending 80. I am sending to this mail. So after that, third parameter, go to D2. Third one, subject name message. So subject, for subject I am sending, suppose welcome. Welcome I am sending. This is the subject. So name. Which name I will give? Suppose my name only I will give. So here in capital my name. After that, so comma, last one message. So what I will pass about congratulations for your new job like this I am sending. This is the message. So this is the payload. If you want to send this entire payload to someone else, see here this click copy. You can send it. So now let's run the application. So let's run the application. Spring Boot app. So somewhere error is there. Let's check. Maximize. It is okay. Not off. Okay. Control S. Go to starter class. Development is done. Only testing is pending. So run as Spring Boot app. Once up and running, we will send email through Postman. Right? We will send email through Postman. It is up and running, clear. If any exception is there, we will check. So this is the payload from to These are different mail IDs. This is the 96, this is the 80. Subject welcome, name, message. This name and message appended to the email template. This is a small template, but in future videos I will make better template. See, now in this video, this is the small template. In future videos, I will build a better video. It will take some more time, so I am not preparing a good user like good email template. Send. See, sending message. It will return. So email sent successfully, like that message. See, email sent successfully. We are getting right. Email sent successfully. Now go to post. Go to the 96 email. Let's check. Go to the 96 email. Let's check the. So 96 email. Send mails. Welcome. So see, welcome. Just now. See. So this is just now 0 minutes. So delete this one. We did it morning. So this. So paste in right. Go to 80. Mail is 80. This one. So open it. Let's see. This is the mail. So subject is the welcome. Hello Shankar. Congratulations for your new job. So let's send another. Further, let's add one kind of one small change only. Send. So email send successfully. We will get one. This is see email send successfully. Now go to 98 mail. It is a from address. So then go to send mails. We are just added one. We just added one. See 0 minutes ago. This mail 0 minutes ago. This is the template we are send. So receiver. This is the 96. It is sender receiver. This mail is 80. See, it is a 80 mail. So go back. See here, this is the new mail. See, just now it is received 0 minutes ago. So subject is the welcome one. This is the template. This is the template, right? So in this video, we are successfully understand about how to send email notifications using Spring Boot and ThemeLeaf templates. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are build generate API and send API. Thank you. So end stream and